Welcome back to the Antique Clock Shop. Okay, I got this Herschede clock, move it back together. I'm going to put some power on it and see if we can get it working. Hopefully I did everything right, and we'll find out. That should be good enough there. I have to buy a key for it because I don't have one that fits the arbor. Let's see if I can make this thing work. Maybe I gotta wind it up some more. Doesn't seem to be wanting to start. Usually they start. Yeah, that's it. It's all the way wound up, so. Yeah, you gotta adjust that suspension spring to get it right in the middle. It'll start running. As you can see on that, if you push to one side, you'll see it move. It'll stay. If you push it to the other side, that's how you put the clock in beat. It's actually a pretty nice feature on that. Instead of having to bend the crutch, this takes away from that and makes it easier to set the beat in it. That way the clock will start running. Still doesn't. It seems like it's not getting enough power. It should take off like that. Okay, I gotta do some troubleshooting here, so I'll come back when I got it figured out. Alright, thanks for watching.